My name is Vatras Labelan. I'm advisor to the Deputy Prime Minister for Economic Policy and Financial System. Basically, I'm in charge for international economic relations in our cabinet. The most important policy, if I may say, was the timely and decisive adoption of protection measures and actions. First measures against the spreading of COVID we implemented already in January. The government took information and suggestion of our healthcare system and health authorities very seriously, and we didn't want to risk the lives of our citizens. We have closely monitored the spread of the virus in the world, in Europe, and in our region. Thanks to that approach, we were the last country in Europe to record the first case of infection, and now we are very proud that we are the first corona-free country in Europe. So we do not have any. We have zero new infections and zero active cases. Before the World Health Organization made a recommendation for the necessary activities, which was in March, we have already implemented them. We already started to implement those measures, having in mind information that we got from the very beginning from China and then from Europe and region, as I said. For example, we expand as it was listed in the World Health Organization recommendation. We expanded, trained, and engaged additional health workforce. We have created a system for finding all suspicious cases at the community level. We increased testing availability, identify and equip the facilities needed for the treatment and isolation of patients, organizing the quarantines, develop quarantine plans, and as it was recommended and we knew it, we focused the work of the whole government on reducing and controlling the pandemic. We have a very clear aim to support and restart our economy. Up to now, we implemented two sets or two packages of economic measures to support both citizens and businesses. That means to support to thousands of entrepreneurs, micro, small, and medium size enterprises in which more than 100,000 employees operate or work. The scope of those packages is very wide and involves employees in closed and dangerous activities. Employees on paid absence, employees in quarantine and self-isolation, up to subsidies for the employee. But the main goal with the first two sets of the measures was to target those who need it most, and with the aim to preserve the substance of our economy and not to lose any chance for the future development. My personal view, and allow me to say that we as a Montenegrin society learned again that for us the sky is limit when the circumstances and crises drive us, and that in those kind of situations we actually know how to respond, how to be responsible, how to be organized and efficient.